Water, the single most valuable resource, which we take for granted every day. It's quite simple, really. If we don't have water, we don't have life. 50 million litres of raw sewage are being pumped into the Cape's oceans daily. The environmentally unlawful practice of sending untreated sewage, oils, chemicals and toxic pollutants into the ocean has been going on for 2 decades. Waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid and malaria kill more people in Africa and globally than the deadly HIV virus. Clean water and proper sanitation has only been a dream to millions. Until now. Sewage Waste Solutions, a South African-based company and specialists in bioremediation technology, has the solution to this ever-growing problem. With a passion to clean Mother Earth, we are now proud owners of the all-natural holistic SWS Biochem product range, as researched and developed over years by scientific experts in the research for solutions to hydrocarbon waste disposal. The SWS Biochem natural product range is manufactured from natural materials and fibers and are readily biodegradable and environmentally acceptable, non-toxic and safe to use. Oxidize. BF8 TerraFIX. Oil clear. Smell gone. Sump, both liquid and granules. Eco Wash. Ab mats and booms. HydroGEL. TerraFIX. TerraSWEEP. OxyPLUS. HydroFLOC. Microorganisms are the lowest form of life. They have no arms, no legs, and need to be woken up from their dormant state caused by pollutants. The SWS product range has been scientifically designed to wake them up with water, oxygen, and specific nutrients in order to activate nature's natural process of complete remediation. Microorganisms eat oil and other contaminants. Microorganisms digest oil and convert it into carbon dioxide and water, which they release back into the environment. By minimizing the environmental impact around drilling rigs, ground sumps and drilling sludge, we prevent petro-hydrocarbon contamination. Typical negative environmental impacts found on hard surfaces around the drilling rigs. Currently, drilling sites use plastic sheeting to prevent the petro-hydrocarbon pollution. This oil will eventually float on the water on the plastic sheeting. Ground sump, unprotected and not managed. Implementation of the SWS Biochem program. Ab mats. Ab mats are placed in strategic positions to absorb the oils emanating from the rig. The ab mats are non-leaching. Booms. Non-sinking, non-leaching booms are positioned in sumps to catch and retain free-flowing oil. Booms are positioned in influent and effluent of the primary sump. The absorbed oil is safely contained in the non-leaching boom. 30 days later, the floating oil has been absorbed by the boom. Clean, uncontaminated process water is now running into the second sump. The advantages of ab mats and booms are easy to use, durable, repel water, can be used repeatedly until saturated, manufactured from 100% natural material, readily biodegradable, cost-effective. Once the booms and ab mats are saturated with oil, they can be split open and the contents buried in the soil. The microbes and enzymes present in the booms and mats will digest the hydrocarbon content, converting it into harmless carbon dioxide. Demonstration of some solution in action. Some solution is poured in at a ratio of 8 litres per 1,000 litres. Some solution goes to work immediately, oxidizing the oil and lifting the suspended solids to the surface. The oxidized oil can be clearly seen on the surface. The some solution treated water can be pumped into the environment or be reused. The soil is then turned over to the level of ingress. TerraFIX, OxyPLUS and HydroGEL are scattered evenly over the area. The area is then thoroughly mixed and watered. The microbes and enzymes present will convert the petro hydrocarbon into harmless carbon dioxide, water and a biomass in a short time frame. Ensure that the site is turned and watered weekly to obtain rapid remediation. It'll take between 40 to 60 days to completely remediate the site, depending on the level of contamination. Contamination below an ingress of 500 mm must be removed and placed on the surface, and a biopile created. The sludge trial is a trial done for Mittal Pretoria West, which is the old ISCOR. Laboratory tests were done by an accredited laboratory of the client's choice, and the results speak for themselves. 2-ton samples of naphthalene, tar pitch and tar sludge were tested. The ppm reading, which is the parts per million of the naphthalene, was 252,151.84 ppm, and after 12 weeks of treatment, the reading was a mere 313.25 ppm. The ppm reading for the tar sludge was 45,882.58 ppm. 12 weeks after treatment, the tar sludge reading was reduced to a mere 689.74 ppm. The tar pitch reading was 286,638.01 ppm before treatment. The 12-week treatment reading was reduced to a mere 591.56 ppm. We give life back to Earth and embrace our responsibility to our planet and its people. We have defined our role as preserving our precious resources for generations to come. Sewage Waste Solutions. Investing today for what matters tomorrow.